Good day. Welcome to English 10 class. Last meeting, we discussed exposition, which is also known as expository text or informational text. This kind of writing presents and provides information about a particular topic or issue. For this week, we're about to discuss multimodal elements. What are multimodal text? Multimodal text involve the strategic, purposeful use of two or more modes of communication to make meaning. And what are these modes of communication? They are the images, gestures, music, spoken language, and written language. Multimodal refers to the integration of different modes of text to create meaning and to convey messages. Again, what are the different modes of text that create meaning and convey messages? Very good. They are the images, gestures, music, spoken language, and written language. To sum it up, a text may be defined as multimodal when it combines two or more symbiotic systems. What are symbiotic systems? Number one is linguistic, comprising aspects such as vocabulary, generic structure, and the grammar of oral and written language. Number two is visual, comprising aspects such as color, vectors, and viewpoint in still and moving images. Number three is audio, comprising aspects such as volume, pitch, and rhythm of music and sound effects. Number four is gestural, comprising aspects such as movement, speed, and stillness in facial expression and body language. And the last is spatial, comprising aspects such as proximity, direction, and position of layout and organization of objects in space. The following are examples of interactive materials in digital and non-digital platforms. Poster, infographics, blogs, animations. Lastly, web pages. Again, a text is considered multimodal when it combines two or more communication modes to present information. Mode refers to the method of communication being employed. It can be linguistic, visual, auditory, gestural, or spatial. And as what being mentioned earlier, it is also known as symbiotic system. The following are examples of simple multimodal text. We have newspapers, brochures, comics, graphic novels, picture books, print advertisement, posters, storyboards, slide presentations, ebooks, e-posters, and lastly, social media. On the other hand, these are the examples of complex multimodal text. Animations, digital stories, web pages, documentaries, book trailers, live action films, and of course, the most popular, the video games. The different means of multimodal text are the following: written and spoken languages, still and moving images, sounds, gestures, and spatial semiotic resources. The following are essential considerations in composing and producing effective multimodal text. In textual knowledge, a clear understanding of the information at hand or the specific subject from which the multimodal composition is based is very essential. This will serve as the basis for determining how information will be conveyed and what modes may work well for the information available. Technological knowledge. It is imperative to understand what technological tools and processes will best work for the kind of multimodal text to be produced. Symbiotic knowledge. This refers to understanding how each mode can work to convey meaning, where each mode or symbiotic system has its own function. Ability to combine various modes. When composing multimodal text, it is vital to understand what combinations will work best in conveying the meaning of a specific set of information. Lastly, understanding different genres. Like in writing, it is also important in multimodal compositions to take into consideration the purpose, target, audience, and text type. At this point, I think we can call it a day. Don't forget to answer the learning task on your module and accomplish the written and performance outputs intended for week number 7 and your quiz number 7. Happy learning!